Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to update payment method on iPhone. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to make sure that your iOS is up to date and you are using the latest version. Then you have to open your settings, tap on general, and in general, you have to tap on software update and then make sure that you are connected to the internet. So after loading, click on download and install, and then make sure to wait and install the latest update of iOS. So assuming that you have done that already, what you have to do next is you have to click on your account, and then once you are in your account, tap on this payment and shipping. Then there is no way to edit your payment option. However, you can delete your existing payment method or option and add a new one. So let's say for example that I have deleted these already, and then I'll add a payment method. Just click on it, and then you need your credit or debit card, and you can also choose other options such as Pay Maya in the Philippines as well as Gcash and your mobile phone. And then type your card number right here, expiry date and CVV code. You can also use this camera option right here. If you want to simply the snap of your card, it will automatically fill in the necessary information right here, and then click on done and you are done. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.